A cosmic journey through our solar system. 3I/Atlas is currently positioned about 420 million miles from the Sun, roughly within Jupiter's orbit, racing inward on its one-way journey through our solar system. Its hyperbolic trajectory means it will never return. This is a single encounter that astronomers must maximize while the opportunity exists. The comet's path will bring it closest to Mars on October 2, 2025, passing within just 18 million miles of the red planet. Some researchers have proposed using NASA's Mars rovers to photograph the comet during this close approach, potentially providing unique surface-based images of an interstellar visitor. On October 29, 2025, 3I/Atlas will reach perihelion, its closest point to the Sun at approximately 130 million miles away, just inside Mars's orbit. At this point, it will be traveling at its maximum velocity of 68 kilometers per second. The comet will make its closest approach to Earth on December 19, 2025, though it will remain at a safe distance of 167 million miles. Throughout this journey, 3I/Atlas poses absolutely no threat to Earth. Its trajectory ensures it will pass safely through our solar system before continuing its eternal voyage into interstellar space.